powerful because they fully immerse students into a career and then also provide mentoring to them from a caring adult who's an expert in their chosen field. They afford students the ultimate on-the-job training and help cultivate deep industry knowledge. We offer students a number of career education opportunities to explore their interests, to connect with industry partners, who can then help shepherd them through this authentic learning experience and elevate their knowledge about the world of work.
There's a lot of different things that goes into it, so I have learned a lot of different things working in this apprenticeship and at that location.
With our partnership with Harford Community College, me as well as 9 other students are set to graduate on May 23rd with their associate's degree in our chosen pathway.
So traditionally, the interns are here to get coffee, they're here to run errands and do paper, but the talent that's produced from Harford County Public Schools, you look for those types of individuals, you have recruiting teams and people searching for those individuals, and they're right here in your backyard.
Apprenticeship Maryland is a high school student's golden ticket. It is their surefire route to a lifetime of career advancement because students are able to participate in an earn while you learn model while they're in high school alongside a caring adult and a trusted mentor.
Last year, in our first full year of implementation, we had 26 students. 15 of those were seniors, and we carried over 11 to this year. This year, we're really proud of the fact that we have 165 apprenticeship students in Harford County, and we can't wait to see where it grows from here.
Through the apprenticeship from HCPS, I was able to continue working at Lorien as an employee instead of an apprentice, being able to get my CNA GNA license.
Ever since I was a kid, I just like knowing how things worked and taking apart things, taking it down, fixing them, and this is just what I like to do. I've had a great experience with my mentors or helped me through everything, helped me figure out like what goes where, you know, how just the world works.
Harford County is really showing us the value that apprenticeships bring when the model is done right, when all people are invested. And there is such a clear value for apprenticeships across the state of Maryland for both employers and for young people. And we are so excited to see the way that this work grows in the years to come.